Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Ghibli art on Grok. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Grok application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Grok application has been opened. Initially, you'll be in this kind of interface. From here, you'll be able to ask anything to Grok. So what you have to do is tap on the plus icon that you can see on this interface right below the message bar. Now you'll be able to find three options: camera, photos, files. Tap on the option photos. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the photo with which you want to create the Ghibli art. Tap on the option done. Now you can see over here that photo will be attached. Now what you have to do is simply type in the prompt create Ghibli image. Now tap on the send icon. Now after a while you can see over here the Ghibli image will be created. You can also save the image if you want. So like this you'll be able to create Ghibli art on Grok. So that is how you create Ghibli art on Grok. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.